Greetings, car enthusiasts. Today, we're setting our sights on the Xiaomi SU7, a new electric vehicle that's causing quite a stir. Is it the Tesla killer everyone's buzzing about, or just an overhyped concept? We're diving deep into the specs, performance, and features to see if the SU7 lives up to the hype. Buckle up and hit subscribe, because this is one electric ride you won't want to miss. First up, let's talk looks. The SU7 boasts a head-turning design that's both futuristic and sporty. It's like a blend of cutting-edge technology and pure driving thrill. Think aerodynamic curves that slice through the wind and a silhouette that screams innovation. Now let's step inside. The interior is a luxurious haven crafted with premium materials. The driver-focused cockpit puts all the controls at your fingertips, making every journey feel like you're piloting a spaceship. But it's not just about comfort. The SU7 is packed with tech. We're talking about a massive touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and some seriously innovative features that we'll get to in a sec. Now let's get down to the brass tacks, the battery and charging. The SU7 boasts a range that'll keep you cruising for miles on a single charge, depending on the model you choose. Plus, the charging capabilities are impressive. We're looking at lightning-fast juice-ups that'll get you back on the road in no time. But the real kicker, how does it handle? We virtually took the SU7 for a spin, and let me tell you, this thing is a blast. It tackles corners with precision and has enough acceleration to press you back in your seat. It's definitely a thrill ride for those who love a sporty feel, but it also manages to be smooth and comfortable for everyday driving. Now let's talk about the competition. Tesla has been the king of the EV hill for a while now. So how does the SU7 stack up? The SU7 might edge out on range and potentially charging speed, depending on the Tesla model. However, Tesla has the brand recognition and a more established service network. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities. So, is the Xiaomi SU7 the electric vehicle for you? It's a compelling option with impressive specs, innovative features, and a competitive price tag, but it's still a new player on the scene. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Is the SU7 your next electric adventure, or are you waiting to see how it performs long-term? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. We'll be here, dissecting the latest and greatest vehicles on the market, so stay tuned for the next electric adventure.